In today's video, I'm going to teach you all about Microsoft Power Automate and whether it's free, while also guiding you through the different plans available. So if you're curious about how Microsoft Power Automate can fit into your budget and needs, you're in the right place. Firstly, let's talk about what Microsoft Power Automate actually offers. Power Automate is a service designed to help you automate workflows between your favorite apps and services, sync files, get notifications, collect data, and a whole lot more. Now, on to the big question, is it free? The answer is yes, but only to an extent. Microsoft Power Automate does provide a free plan. This plan includes the use of standard connectors, which are basic apps and services like Outlook, Teams, and OneDrive. You can explore automation possibilities freely with a 30-day trial that lets you experiment with UI-based cloud flows and these standard connectors. This is a great way to dip your toes into the world of automation without any upfront cost. Moving into the paid plans, let's start with the Power Automate Premium. This plan is approximately $15 per user per month if you're paying yearly. With this plan, you gain access to cloud flows as well as attended desktop flows, which are tasks executed with user interaction. It also provides premium connectors and offers a little taste of process and task mining. You'll even get some AI Builder credits along with Dataverse storage, allowing for more robust integration and automation capabilities tailored to your specific business needs. If your requirements are a bit more enterprise level, then you might want to consider the Power Automate Process Plan. This one is priced at around $150 per bot per month. It adds the feature of unattended robotic process automation, commonly referred to as RPA. This means that the bots can work independently without needing a users to manage them in real time, which is essential for companies wanting to scale their automation efforts on a larger scale. Finally, for those who need the maximum capacity and enterprise-level automation, there's the Power Automate Hosted Process Plan. It costs about $215 per bot per month. In this plan, you get hosted virtual machines for full unattended automation, providing a robust solution for organizations with demanding automation needs. With this, you're set up for the most comprehensive automation experience, capable of handling complex workflows and processes. Understanding these plans and what they entail can help you decide how Microsoft Power Automate can streamline your operations, optimize workflows, and ultimately contribute to improving your business practices while keeping everything budget-friendly. Well, thank you for watching, and I hope this breakdown has helped clarify your options with Microsoft Power Automate.